Forbes India presents Top 30 Talent Leaders of 2023, powered by Indeed.
Hi, this is Farhat Umar. I'm working with Mankind Pharmaceuticals as a President Global Human Resource and based out at Delhi. And I'm taking care of all verticals of Mankind Pharma, including R&D, manufacturing, operation, and all the global offices all across the world. Actually, basically by profession, I'm not a HR person. When we started my career, actually, I was a sales guy, and I worked with GlaxoSmithKline for almost 19 years in sales and marketing, and I started my career as a medical rep. And it basically the job of medical rep is indirect selling, meeting doctors and getting prescriptions, and then prescription on the basis of prescriptions, products are sold to the patient. And but I was a very hardcore salesperson. I used to achieve my objectives at least 2 3 months in advance, and then I was asked to go and help other medical institute and salespeople to achieve their budgets. So in that way, I started developing a passion for training, basically, I would say. And meanwhile, the one product was launched by uh, GSK, Augmentin, which was a very costly product at that time only, very difficult to sell, and that's why company GSK implemented one selling skills module, which was collaborated by Cambridge, London, and then I was part of this team to train field people, and then Augmentin become number one product in Indian pharma market, and it has given a new direction to Indian pharma industry when many companies started selling uh, a niche, costly antibiotic, I would say. And this way, my passion was more for training, and then whenever I worked there, whether it is Johnson and Johnson and other companies also, I was a part of training team, developing my team, and then finally, when I got opportunity to work with Amneal, a US company, where I have given a full charge of HR domain and taking care as a vice president. And meanwhile, I added many academics also, the qualification to become a perfect HR professional. I've done some courses from IIM Ahmedabad, Auxiliary, related with the strategic kind of advanced HR, and also then it was a complete paradigm shift to HR from sales. And since then, almost 15 years, I've been involved in HR interventions, and I joined Mankind May 2019 as a senior vice president. And within 2 years, I was promoted as a president and taking care of global human resources all across the globe, managing 19,000 employees and all the sections of pharma like R&D, operation, manufacturing, offices. So it's a complete shift of paradigm, I would say. And because of my passion of training, I am in HR. So it was a great challenge for us, for me especially, and that's why the full focus, the full strategies, all the strategies were converted into one strategy, that is people. And not only they're hiring and to retain them, and then to develop them, also to inspire them, to motivate them, also to work in the organization. And these 2.5 years, and especially second wave, was very very dangerous to protect our employees. That's why our all interventions were on, including hiring and all the other interventions like increment, appraisal, promotions. So that's why I would say the training also, that was the only thing which we have done the highest in the country, and we have received many awards also because of the pandemic. Even I have received one award from Maharashtra government. For our work during pandemic, and to keep our business continuity. And not a single day our plants were stopped manufacturing. They were working all across. The challenge for pharma company where I am working is basically the China. China is used to feed almost more than 75% API all across the world, including India. So that was a challenge because of the pandemic. A lot of issues pharma company faced, and that's why we thought that we should also develop our own capabilities with respect to the API. And getting talent is always a challenge for pharma domain actually. And when you are in this kind of model manufacturing, even we are developing our own products also, and then we have very strong field force. That's why we have to have a different kind of work culture also. And I think the most important challenges will be there to manage the different people of different area verticals like sales and marketing. People are different. They are the front runners in the market. That we have R&D, we are white collar scientists are there. Then now we have a digital team also. They have an influence of work from home, the hybrid workforce. So a lot of complex things are going on at workplace. The challenges will be there how to manage different kind of workforce to achieve company's objective. And that's why we have many strategies. We are very flexible. We have a different workforce policies for digital team. I mean, they are sitting in the same premises. We have all the other backup office also doing some transactional works also. We have a different kind of policies now. So the challenge is how to interact these talents and how to retain them, and how to develop leaders also. That is the most important point, that we should have a very strong bench of future leader. That's why we have a lot of programs, lot of intervention we have not done before. And that's why these are the challenge we are working, and we are focusing on retention and bringing the best talent from the market. Actually, the brand itself is a great thing to bring the best talents. Mankind is now well known. We are the fastest growing company, and in my tenure of more than 3 years, we have many people join from top companies also. But the issue is that when the people are coming from different culture, different, bringing different values also. So that's why we have to have a complete collaborative leadership approach. That is a one new thing which is started in Mankind, to bring all the leaders under one platform. Many activities have been done in with the innovation, that the first time that R&D, sales, marketing, all other people also were they decided to strategize the policies and the strategies also, how what we are going to achieve in 2 years, 3 years, and 5 years. So this way, all the leaders from different company and different domain, they are one. They are working together, and we have a collaborative leadership, which is they are supporting each other. And we have internally a strong promotion thing. Our attrition rate is very low, whether it is sales, marketing, or, and even the retention of senior leadership is almost 95%. And so these are the few new things which we started doing in our organization to retain the talent, to bring the best talent in the organization. The branding of Mankind is well known in the market, because if you name any Bollywood actors or actresses, they are our brand ambassadors for many products like Pregnant News and Man Foods and all. So it is the branding of Mankind is there. And when you have when you have this kind of network of my experience, so it is very easy for me to bring the talent. And because we have done all the things for the people, only for the protection of our employees. That's why it was very easy for us to retain the talent also. I've done my hotel management. I was specialized in food production also. I topped as a student chef of India in Bangalore in 1987 and received one award also from the cabinet minister. And I'm fond of food also. So, but somehow I didn't like the culture that time in 87. Actually, in hotel industry, it was not very good paymaster. Now hotel industry is also very well paid. Also, that's why that was one thing which I would have been a chef. The challenges post pandemic challenges with respect to the trauma, with respect to the losses, whether it is a job or any insecurity is also there, and especially for the newcomers who are coming forward, they don't have clear direction also. So the HR has is playing very important role, not only motivating internal employees, also even the people who are coming as a fresher. So they have a many programs for to give them a complete career path also, and a lot of work is required to HR with respect to the career path, the motivation, learning, upskilling, skilling. So a lot of things are available for the HR, and it is their mindset how they are going to use these opportunities into action. I will continue the same kind of my passion with respect to the people development and adding some values to the society whenever I will. That is my dream, that I will always be till the time I'm alive. I will be working for the people only and their development, adding some values. And one thing more, I've decided that I will become a lifelong student. That's why this is giving me a lot of energy. I'm a spiritual leader, so that's why I'm very confident also that I will continue this profession whether after my retirement also. So that is one thing which I've decided.
Forbes India presents Top 30 Talent Leaders of 2023, powered by Indeed.